Hello friends, welcome you all. In this video, we will study important topics of chemical kinetics. The weightage of the chapter will be 4 marks and with option 6 marks. The key points in chemical kinetics are average rate, second instantaneous rate. In this, we should know the definition and their formulas for the problem solving. Then rate law definition and their formula is important. Then order of reaction definition and examples are important. Then molecularity of reaction definition and examples are important. Then difference between order and molecularity, this is also important question. Then integrated rate law of first order reaction, there is problem on rate constant or half-life period. For that, this is important article. Then pseudo first order reaction definition and example is important. Arrhenius equation, this is important for the problem solving. The next, these are some important formulas. On the basis of these formulas, there will be question in the examination. First is average and instantaneous rate. Let us consider the reaction A reactant gives product B. In that, the rate of consumption of A at any time t is equal to minus dA upon dt. The minus sign indicates the consumption of concentration of reactant. Then rate of formation of B at any time t is equal to dB upon dt. Then rate of reaction at time t is equal to minus dA upon dt is equal to dB upon dt. So with the help of this expression, we can find average and instantaneous rate of the reaction. Then second, rate law. The rate law is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant raised to the power. You can see the expression rate of reaction proportional to concentration of A raised to the power x and concentration of B raised to the power y. That is, rate is equal to K into concentration of A raised to x into concentration of B raised to y. Then third, rate constant of first order reaction. With the help of this expression, we can find the rate constant. This is important problem. K is equal to 2.303 upon T into log to the base 10 concentration of A upon concentration of A at any time. Then fourth formula is half-life period of first order reaction. That is T1/2 is equal to 0.693 divided by K. Then Arrhenius equation. The Arrhenius equation, K is equal to A into E raised to minus EA upon RT. Then energy of activation can be calculated by this expression. Log to the base 10 K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 into R in bracket 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. On rearranging this equation, then we will get EA upon 2.303 into R into T2 minus T1 upon T1 upon into T2. EA is the energy of activation, R is the gas constant, T2 is the final temperature and T1 is the initial temperature. Thank you for watching this video.